Hi students, 9th standard maths exercise 6.2. First third problem, cos 90 degree is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degree is equal to 2 cos square 45 degree minus 1. We have to verify this. This is equal to verify this. First one is equal to second is equal to third. So we have to simplify this. How we have to simplify? Do you remember the trigonometric ratio table? Yes. So that is, what is the value of cos 90 degree? Cos 90 degree is equal to, what is the value? Cos 90 degree? 0. Yes. So cos 90 degree is equal to 0. So it is called as equation number 1. The second term, what is given second term? 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degree. So that is 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degree is equal to 1, take a right 1 minus 2 into sin 45 degree. What is the value of sin 45 degree? Sin 45 degree value is 1 by root 2. So that is 1 minus 2 into 1 by root 2. Square is there, so whole square. So the square is common for both numerator and denominator. So that is equal to 1 minus 2 into 1 by root 2. Root 2 into root 2, what is the value of root 2 into root 2? 2. So now 1 minus for numerator 2 and denominator 2 get cancelled. So 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. It is called as equation number 2. Next, third term, what is given? 2 cos square 45 degree minus 1. 2 cos square 45 degree minus 1 taken right, that is equal to 2 into cos 45 degree. What is the value of cos 45 degree? 1 by root. Sin 45 degree and cos 45 degree are the same value, that is 1 by root. So 2 into 1 by root 2 whole square minus 1. 1 by root 2, the square is common for numerator and denominator. So that is equal to 2 into 1 square value 1, root 2 square, root 2 whole square, that is 2. 2 to cancel. So after cancelling you have, for this term become 1. 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. It is called it as equation number 3. So you have to consider the equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. So from 1, 1, 2 and 3, take and write what are the values. First one simplified value 0, second one simplified value 0, third one simplified value also 0. So cos 90 degree is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 45 degree is equal to 2 cos square 45 degree minus 1 is verified. Students, second problem, in first problem, find the value of tan 45 degree by cos 30 degree plus secant 60 degree by cos 45 degree minus 5 sin 90 degree by 2 cos 0 degree. Do you remember the values? Tan 45 degree, what is the value? Cosecant, yes, that is tan 45 degree by cosecant 30 degree. Cosecant 30 degree value you know. So what is the meaning of cosecant 30 degree? Cosecant, it is inverse of sine. Second, what is it is inverse of cos. Okay, first you take and write the given question. What is given, just take and write. Now you have to substitute the values. Tan 45 degree, what is the value? Tan 45 degree 1 by cosecant 30 degree. Cosecant 30 degree value is 2. Yes, so sin 30 degree 1 by 2. So their inverse is 2 plus secant 60 degree value is, what is the secant 60 degree value? Yes, 1 by 2. So their cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Their inverse is 2. Secant 60 degree is 2. Cot 45 degree, it is the inverse of tan. So that is 1. Okay, cot 45 degree value is 1. Minus 5 sin 90 degree. What is sin 90 degree value? 1. Cos 0, 1. Okay, now you have to simplify this value. 1 by 2 plus 2 by 1 minus 5 into 1, 5, 2 into 1, 2, 5 by 2. Now you check their denominators. What are the denominators? 2, 1, 2. So these two have a like fraction. Yes, these two fractions like fraction, it is unlike. Commonly you have to take a LCM. LCM is 2. So LCM common denominator is 2. LCM is 2. So the same denominator, these two have a same denominator, just take and write the numerator. Are you clear now? You have to compare this 2 and the first term denominator. Okay, so this is 2, 2, so just take and write the numerator. What symbol? Plus. So take and write plus symbol. Now for this is 1, this is 2. How when you make it as 2, when you make it as 2, so that is for it is multiple with 2. It's become a like fraction, multiple with 2. So that is 2 2s are 4, 1 into 2, 2. Okay. So now these two have same, LCM is 2. Just you take and write 5. Now 1, 2 2s are 4 minus 5 whole divided by 2. So now you have the positive values. What are the positive values? 1 and 4. 1 plus 4 is 5 minus 5. So 5 minus 5 by 2. What is the 5 minus 5? 0 by 2. Anything is 0 divided by any number is equal to 0. So that is the answer is 0. Listen students, next fourth problem. Find the value of 8 sin 2x cos 4x sin 6x when x is equal to 15 degree. You know the difference between, compared to the previous problem. Previous problem what is given here? Exactly 45 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree like that. But here the variable is mentioned. Instead of this variable, you have to substitute this value, given value 15 degree. Okay. First take and write the given question. 8 sin 2x cos 4x sin 6x, that is equal to 8, take and write, sin 2 into x value. What is x value? 15 degree. 2 is sin 8 sin 2 into 15 degree cos 4 into 15 degree sin 6 into 15 degree. Instead of x you substitute the values 15 degree. Now 2 into 15, 2 15s are 30 degree, 4 15s are 60 degree, 6 into 15, 90 degree. Now we get the values, the degree exact values we get, special angles. Yes. Now you have to recall the values, trigonometric ratio values. What is sin 30 degree? Sin 30 degree 1 by 2. So 8 into 1 by 2. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. Yes. Sin 90 degree 1. For these 4 terms in a product, in a multiplication. Now cancelling is possible. 1 2 is to 4 2s are 8. Then 1 2 is to 2 2s are 4. After cancelling, what do you have in the numerator? 2 into 1 into 1 into 1. So that is 2. In the denominator we have 1. 2 by 1 is equal to 2. Okay. The answer is 2.